Good morning, guys.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
Today we are packing our stuff to go at Fifi Flat.
We're gonna go to Grateful Lodge. Yes, we're packing our stuff. So here's all our clothes that we need to put in a bag. Each pile for each kid.
Look at my nails.
Yeah, he got his wild slippers. And you did, yes.
Like
So-
flowers.
Yes, so this morning we're gonna pack it up. Sebastian and Amelia at school, we're gonna just pick them up from school. And we're gonna go to have some fun. But Papa has to stay home and work. So it's only Mama and kids. Okay, let's go have some breakfast.
Yeah.
And we're gonna get ready and go. Okay guys, are we ready to go? Yes? Well, go ahead, open the door. Call Isaac to go with you. Yep. We just need to pack this in our car and we're ready to go. Yep, let's go.
Oh!
We're gonna go pick up Sebastian and Amelia from school, and then it's gonna take us about an hour to get there. We're gonna go get Amelia, you're right, and Sebastian. And it's gonna be Mama and baby's time.
And then no papa.
No Papa, Papa has to work.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 3 days, me and them. I hope I can survive. Okay, first stop, we're gonna go grab Amelia and Sebastian.
Yep.
Let's go. You hold his hand?
Yep.
Okay, go guys. Well, you're gonna be back on Friday and you have to do that assignment. So we'll stop at Russian store really quick. They have the best bread, sandwich bread, seriously, and some baked goodies, like so good. So we're gonna stop to get that on the way there. I mean, right now, actually, and we'll continue. We bought some goodies, yummy goodies. I'm gonna show you really quick. This really deep fried with the jam.
Oh, those are good.
Those are good.
Like jam filled or warm.
Yes. And some Russian sausage. Very good too. Some bread. Oh, it smells so good. You have no idea how it smells in the car right now. We have to stop at Target really quick. Get the memory card for the GoPro. Ran out of the memory. So, one more stop. Okay guys, we're on our way, finally! So guys, we're almost here. Right now, behind those trees, we're gonna see the slides. Yay, we're almost there. There's the slides, there's a tornado slide behind the trees. You see? I hope you saw it. I don't know, I cannot see. I'm driving. This is our exit, so we'll be there in a few minutes.
Here, guys. I'm excited.
You're so excited we're here.
Really fun there. I really like it there. Yeah.
We usually go at before Christmas, but this time it's
Early.
springtime. It's springtime. We never been here at springtime, so we'll see how it is. Yeah, let's see. And here is it's big building right here. What do you mean you cannot see? It's right here. Look, we're turning. Yes, we're here. No seatbelts off yet. Yeah, it's pretty busy, guys. But it's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch for people walking around the place.
Especially the lobby.
And
I love the lobby. It's so nice.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, that's a lot of people.
Let's go.
First room on the 3rd floor?
Is it?
I don't know.
Hey,
I'm asking you.
Third. Hey. Yep. Small bathroom right here. Shower and bathroom. That's all we need. Our 2 beds. Microwave and little fridge. TV, little couch. Yep. That's all we need, I guess. Because most of the time we're gonna spend where?
Out there in the pool. I opened the window.
In the pool, yes.
There's no pool out there.
Not there.
What's the other side?
Yes.
Not there.
Okay, let's get ready. Isaac, baby, where are we going? To the pool? Hey, cutie. Keep on going. Keep on going, Isaac. Let's go. Let's go catch up with our family. There's Amelia, who's your friend. And there's Isaac. Yeah? We're gonna go boo-boo? Yeah! Yeah, let's go. Come on. Ezra, let's go?
Yeah.
Let's go get towels. Isaac, let's go. Yeah, we're gonna go get towels and go meet our friends down there at the kids area, and we're gonna go play. Excited. Here's the pool. Hungry people here. They came for a snack. After they swim, they came for a snack. They were screaming. Their tummy hurts because they're hungry, they said. So, some food for you. Cereal and milk, yes. Peanut butter, cereal and milk.
Thank you.
Whoa. Look at that hungry people. Mm-hmm. Are we going to the lobby, baby? Yeah? We're gonna go find Ezra? Hey. Hey, little squirrel. I don't know who you are. Amelia, he lost his shoe.
We're going together.
time. Every detail.
Wow! That's a big
Hello there. Welcome to my humble home.
Yes. You like it? Yes. He likes it. You like it? Yellow face. Okay, we're done for today. It was pretty busy, long day. So we put them to bed. Yes, we put you guys to bed. So those two guys are, well, not asleep yet, but they're gonna sleep. This guy should be asleep in a few minutes because he did not take his nap. Oh, this guy I'm gonna have a trouble with. Isaac, get in the bed and sleep. Get in your bed. And the other two are still in the lobby playing around, so they're gonna come back much later. Well, did you have lots of fun today? Are you gonna have even more fun tomorrow? Yeah?
And then
Swim. A lot of swimming, yeah?
And then we will go home.
No, tomorrow we're still not going home. We're still gonna be here. Yep. Okay. We're gonna say good night. Good night, guys. Yes. Bye. Good night. Isaac, good night. Yeah, bye bye. What?